Discover the Milifox Bulb Dibber, the must-have gardening tool for planting bulbs and seedlings effortlessly. Its sturdy plastic construction measuring 17.5 centimeters long and 11 centimeters wide ensures durability and easy cleaning. The built-in depth marker helps you plant at the perfect depth every time, while the pistol grip design provides comfort and precise control. Whether you are loosening soil, transplanting, or weeding, this versatile tool saves you time and effort. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Spear & Jackson Bulb Planter, the perfect tool for gardening enthusiasts. Crafted with a durable stainless steel body, it ensures long-lasting performance. Its adjustable handle makes planting bulbs easier and more comfortable, while the spring-loaded mechanism allows for faster soil release. The built-in depth measuring aid helps you plant at the ideal depth every time. Winner of the Grow Your Own 2022 Great British Growing Award, this BulbPlanter makes gardening simpler and more enjoyable. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Transform your gardening experience with the Colwelt BulbPlanter. This friendly tool makes planting spring flowers like tulips, crocus, and lilies effortless. Its long handle allows you to dig perfect holes while standing comfortably, saving your back. Easy to use with a step, twist, and pull motion. It even works in stony soil thanks to its serrated base and two pedals design. Built to last with rust-resistant steel, it's your must-have gardening partner. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable garden tool to make planting easier? The Spear & Jackson Dibber features a mirror-polished stainless steel head that resists rust and minimizes soil sticking, making your planting task smoother. Its weatherproofed hardwood shaft offers added durability, while the tanged design provides better knuckle clearance. Perfect for garden enthusiasts and proud award winners from the Great British Growing Awards in 2022. Get started on your gardening projects today with this versatile and sturdy dibber. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the GARDENA BulbPlanter, your perfect gardening companion for planting flower bulbs with ease. This practical tool eliminates the need for tiring digging thanks to its automatic grip trigger that effortlessly releases soil and closes the planting hole. Made from high-quality steel coated with Duraplast for excellent corrosion protection, it also features a useful depth scale to ensure your bulbs are planted at the ideal depth. Get ready to enjoy beautiful blooms this season. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Milifox Bulb Dibber, the ultimate gardening tool for easy and precise planting. With a comfortable pistol grip measuring 17.5 centimeters long and 11 centimeters wide, it's built for durability and comfort. The built-in measurement scale ensures perfect depth control for bulbs, seeds, or small plants. Its ergonomic design makes planting effortless and enjoyable. Lightweight and versatile, it's perfect for seedlings and delicate plants. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Milifox Seed Planter, the ultimate tool for hassle-free gardening. With 5 precision adjustment settings, it ensures perfect seed distribution whether you're planting tiny herbs or larger vegetables. The ergonomic non-snip handle offers comfort all day long, even in damp conditions. Versatile and easy to use, it functions as a seed dibber, dispenser, or full planting tool for both indoor and outdoor gardens. Perfect for beginners alike. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.